If you're experiencing a sync issue with your CS2 account, follow these steps to troubleshoot and recover your account effectively. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause sync issues. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network. Step 2. Update the game. Make sure that your CS2 game is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs and improve performance. Check for updates in your game launcher and install any available updates. Step 3. Verify account credentials. Double-check your login credentials. Ensure that you are using the correct username and password associated with your CS2 account. If you've forgotten your password, use the password recovery option to reset it. Step 4. Clear cache and data. If you are using a mobile device or a specific platform, try clearing the cache and data for the CS2 app. This can resolve issues related to corrupted files that may be causing sync problems. Go to your device settings, find the app, and clear its cache. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to the CS2 support team. Provide them with detailed information about your issue, including any error messages you receive. They can offer specific solutions or escalate the problem if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your CS2 account sync issue. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from the support team.